Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In this video, we will be discussing about the IELTS writing task 2. If you are following a video series, then have a look at IELTS general task 1 and IELTS academic task 1 videos first, and then return back to this video. First, we shall have a glance at few important points to be remembered about writing task 2. Like the writing task 1, we don't have two different types of questions for the IELTS general and academic test. It is the same for both the test. Writing task 2 is considered to be the most important task as it constitutes to two-thirds of the total band score. We have previously discussed how the band score will be awarded for the writing task in our introduction to IELTS writing video. In task 2 of IELTS writing test, we are expected to write an essay in 40 minutes. It may seem it is easy to write, but I swear it's going to be very difficult to do the same. The word limit for essay writing is between 250 to 280 words. As I always say, stick on to the maximum word limit, that is 280 words, is the wisest choice. It is very essential for you to spend at least 20 minutes in preparing your essay flow, after which you can utilize 10 minutes to write the essay and spare the last 10 minutes to recheck or go through your answer. Talking about the essay, there are two types on essays. One is opinion based essay, and the other one is the non opinion based essay. An opinion based essay is an essay where you will be given a statement and asked to express your opinion about the statement. The variations in such a type of question would be like, what is your view or opinion on the statement? Give your opinion on the statement. Do you agree or disagree on the given statement? Or to what extent do you agree or disagree the statement? Moving on to the non opinion based essay, here we have six different questions which you might get. A statement would be given, and they may ask you to list down the problems based on the statement, list the problems and give solutions to the same problem, just give solutions to the problem, discuss the advantages and disadvantage, or they may ask you even if the advantage overweighs the disadvantage. These are all just suggestions from my side. You may get a question which is paraphrased differently also. Now, let's see how to write a essay plan for a given essay. Your essay plan consists of an introduction, three body paragraphs, and finally a conclusion. Now, we will see what to write in each paragraph. Your introduction must contain a thesis statement, which is nothing but the paraphrase of your given statement in the question, after which you must mention your opinion about the statement. Finally, give an outline of your essay. That is, you must mention what can be expected out of your essay. Now, moving on to the body paragraphs. You must write three body paragraphs where each body paragraph must have a main point being addressed. Your main point must reveal the reason why you believe in the thesis statement. It should directly address the thesis statement. Don't choose very complicated points as it would be difficult to explain it within the word limit that is given to us. When you're choosing a main point, you must check if you will be able to explain the point in detail. Choose a key point only if it satisfies all these conditions. We must also have few supporting points to support a main point. These supporting points are called the subpoints. Every main point must have two subpoints to support the main point. Your subpoint must explain why the main point you have addressed occurs or happens. It must also highlight how the main point which you have highlighted occurs. Then, finally, you must explain at least one of the subpoints or main point using an example. The example which you're going to add to the body paragraph may either be your personal experience or a real time experience. Last but not the least is the concluding paragraph. In the conclusion, you will have to give a summary of all the three body paragraphs and also remember to conclude it by re emphasizing your opinion about the statement given in the question. This is the proper structure of your essay plan, which you will have to frame before writing an essay. You can have a look at this. Talking about the word limit, this is a rough calculation which I suggest to follow. You can also alter it according to your wish. I'll be using roughly 35 words for both my introduction and conclusion. And for the body paragraphs, I will be using 70 words per paragraph. As I've mentioned previously, 40 minutes might seem to be very sufficient to complete the task, but only when you start writing the essay, you will realize the difficulty being faced. Again, this is my rough split of time. You can adjust the time according to your convenience. To complete your essay plan, you can consume 20 minutes. After you are done with it, it is not going to take more than 10 minutes to write down 280 words. The remaining 10 minutes can be spared to check your writing. Hope you've got a clear idea about what is task 2 of an IELTS writing test. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for the future videos. Click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.